Hey everyone, Lex Levinrad over here, and I'm in Vero Beach, Florida, in front of a house I just purchased this week. I bought this house for $86,000, and how I found it is from a wholesaler. He bid $83,000 for this house on HUD's website, and he flipped it to me. I closed on the house, and now I'm going to go ahead and fix up the house and resell it. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so now we're in the house, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom concrete block house known as CBS. It was built in 2006, and it's in pretty decent shape. You know, I can see somebody stole the air handler, and the compressor outside's missing as well, which is pretty common with bank home properties, right? The house is already all tiled. If I was going to keep this as a rental, I would probably just paint the house, fix up the kitchen, put some AC in, and put some components in the bathroom and rent it out. For a fix and flip, what I plan on doing with this house is I'm going to put in a new kitchen, and I'm going to put new AC, and I'm going to redo both bathrooms, right? I'm going to probably keep this tile because it's not bad, and then we're just going to paint the interior of the house, the exterior of the house, and fix the fence out there, and I can probably list this. Comparable sales right here on the street for the same size property have gone for as much as $165. Now, the one that went at $165 looked really, really nice inside. So if I were to fix and flip this, I'd probably price it a little bit below that, like let's say at $154.9. After paying realtor commissions and holding constant interest, I should be able to net on a deal like this. My cost is $86. So if I spent, let's say, $20 on this house, then I'd be into it for, let's say, $106. And if I sold it at $154 after commission, it'd be about $150. So I should be able to net, after fees and everything, $30,000 on a deal like this. And what's so amazing about this is that twofold. Number one, this deal is available for everyone to bid on HUDhomestore.com. So if you had a real estate license, you could just go to HUDhomestore.com and you could have bid on this property. You could have got it at $83,000, and you could have kept it yourself as a fix and flip. But if you wanted a wholesale, you could have also bid on it and contacted a buyer like me and said, hey Lex, I got a deal. You want to make a quick whatever it is and flip the house to me, right? So there's a lot of opportunity and a lot of potential in this business to make a tremendous amount of money. What's so crazy about this is that there's people right here in this neighborhood who live on the street that are paying $150 for properties where I'm buying a property. I'm not from the neighborhood, and I'm paying $86. And the reason is because these are cash deals for cash investors. So if you want to learn how this business works, you need to understand the concept of wholesaling and fixing and flipping. And I have 2 boot camps that teaches both of those concepts. One's called the wholesaling boot camp, and the other one's called the fixing and flipping boot camp. And I'm going to go ahead and put the link for both of those below. And I've also got a webinar for you. If you want to learn how to wholesale and how to get started, just go to lexlevinrad.com/webinar, and I'll see you on there.